Welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: why most traders lose money even when they have a seemingly good strategy. Many traders operate under the belief that finding a winning strategy is the one thing that guarantees consistent profits. Unfortunately, that's often a myth. The harsh reality is that a significant number of traders continue to lose money, even those who possess strategies with a proven track record. To move from losing to consistent winning, we must look beyond the strategy itself. There are fundamental issues you need to address. The biggest hurdle is often psychological: the role of emotions and lack of discipline in executing your trades. Remember, a trading strategy is a rule set. It tells you exactly when to enter a trade and when to exit, but that's all it does. It does not and cannot control the emotions that arise, especially after facing a few losses in a row. When emotional, traders start breaking their own rules. This might look like entering trades too early, exiting too late, or increasing risk out of desperation. These emotional deviations turn what was objectively a good, winning strategy into a personal losing strategy. You sabotage your own edge. Another significant pitfall for many is a sheer lack of patience, often driven by the desire for fast results and constant trading action. This need for action leads to overtrading and taking poor setups, which inevitably leads to losses and frustration. In contrast, professional traders are masters of patience. They understand the market is a waiting game, not a gambling casino. They trade less frequently, focusing exclusively on high-quality setups that meet all their criteria. Less action often equals better results. Finally, we come to the most critical factor: risk management. This is the mechanism that ensures a trader's longevity in the market. Small losses are an unavoidable, normal part of trading. However, big, uncontrolled losses are what truly destroy trading accounts. Professionals accept these small, calculated losses and prioritize capital protection above all else, ensuring they always live to trade another day. Now let's talk about tools that can help you maintain discipline and clarity in your trading. Trading becomes significantly easier when your charts are clean and your decision-making process is simple. This is where VIP indicators come in. These indicators help traders clearly identify trend direction and momentum, reducing chart clutter and helping you filter out emotional or low-quality trade entries. If you are looking to bring more clarity and discipline to your trading, explore VIP indicators using my affiliate link below. Good luck with your trading journey.